cheeky monsters. Kaya here. Oh, and Glitter too. Glitter, you're so cheeky, making me jump like that. Oh, Glitter, your teeth look so bright and shiny. You know, Glitter brushes his teeth every day, morning and night. And if you want to find out how to keep your teeth sparkling white, just like Glitter's, then keep on watching to find out how.
Cheeky monsters, na 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 na, we're all cheeky monsters.
Brush, brush, sparkle, sparkle, brush, brush, shine, shine. Cheeky monsters, follow Glitters, brushing teeth, rhyme. If you want your teeth to sparkle and glisten, well, Glitter knows how, so sit up and listen. Let's see what condition your teeth are in. Now show your pearly whites and give us a grin. Well, everything seems in working order, but don't let that cheeky smile fool ya. There are plenty of places for food to hide. Let's take a look inside. Now open up wide. Ew, how did that get there? What even is that? There is so much bacteria for food to pick. There's even enough for a germ picnic. Oh, Jasper, this broccoli is just divine. You simply must try it. Oh. It looks like you haven't brushed your teeth in a while, but Glitter can help you clean up that smile. All you need is a toothbrush, water and toothpaste. Don't leave the tap running, it will go to waste. Why not get your toothpaste and toothbrush ready and join in brushing your teeth with me? Got them? Good. Glitter, start the timer to make sure we don't rush. 3, 2, 1, let's brush in a circle at the back, going round and round. Brush, 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 brush. This is where all the old food can be found. Scrub, 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 scrub. Wait a minute, how much toothpaste do I need? Just take a blob of toothpaste the size of a pea, or a very small nut, or a green bug. Ew! What are you doing? Oh, nothing, just a itchy nose. Keep brushing in circles at the tops of your teeth. And don't forget the sides and the underneath. Brush the front teeth, the bottom and your tongue as well. The last thing that you want is for your breath to smell. Oh, who's been eating garlic? Oh, it's me. There's lots of different brushes and they're all great. Some are soft, some are spiky and some vibrate. Best toothbrush ever! Just 1 more minute, not long to go. But in the meantime, here's another thing you should know. As you keep growing up, you'll soon find out that all your baby teeth will start to fall out. Don't worry when this happens. It isn't scary. Put them underneath your pillow for the cheeky tooth fairy. Ooh. Violet, was that you? Losing your teeth can look funny for a while, just like Grandma with her big gummy smile. Here, what are you saying about me? Nothing, Grandma. Then quickety-quick, before you know, a brand new set of teeth will start to grow. Brushing your teeth is an important thing to do. If you don't, you'll get a toothache. Boo-hoo! It really hurts. Time's almost up and we're nearly done. Finish up brushing, everyone. Remember that toothpaste isn't a drink, so don't swallow it down. Spit it out in the sink. 3, 2, 1, spit! Night, everyone. Whoa! Don't go anywhere, we're not done yet. There's 2 more things that you shouldn't forget. When you grow up a little bit more, you should always do these 2 things for sure. 1, remember to gargle mouthwash. 2, always try and remember to floss.
Wait, what are you doing?
Huh?
Not that kind of flossing, I meant flossing your teeth.
Oh, like this.
That's better.
Now your mouth is minty fresh and clean. They're the sparkliest teeth Glitter's ever seen. You don't want those pesky germs to attack, because once you go plaque, it's hard to go back. So look after your teeth and remember what we said. Always brush in the morning and before you go to bed. If you brush your teeth every day, they'll be shiny like you enjoyed our video and want to see more of the cheeky monsters, then why not click subscribe for some cheeky fun? And remember, everyone has a cheeky monster. Which one are you?